Hi, my name is Jez and I'm a mobile developer here at SwipedOn. In this video, I'll take you through why it's more important than ever to install a digital visitor management system in your workplace. Whether that's an office, school, or construction site, if you have visitors, you'll need a way of managing their visits. As a business, you'll need to track who is at your site at all times, comply with data privacy regulation, and ensure the safety of your visitors. Get rid of unnecessary clutter at the front desk. With a digital visitor management system, everything is stored in the cloud and can be accessed through the internet via a computer or a laptop. So you won't need any paper logbooks on your front desk. All you need is an iPad. It will capture and store all the necessary information you need from your visitors. It's as simple as that. Say goodbye to long hours of searching through piles of physical logbooks just to retrieve your visitor data from a specific date. Now you can quickly search and export this data without wasting time. A visitor management system also enables you to compile visitor timeline data for a specific date range. You can then export this data for reporting or audit purposes if you need to. Fires, flood, earthquakes, violence, and other incidences in the workplace may require your building to conduct an immediate emergency evacuation. How do you know if everyone is safe? Managing this process would be time-consuming using traditional logbooks. A digital visitor management system provides a real-time checklist of everyone who is signed into your system. Evacuation mode can be used offline, and a roll call can be carried out swiftly using the iPad. The advancements in digital technology and data privacy laws have made everyone cautious of the dangers of giving personal information to just anyone, including the front desk attendant. This is especially true for companies who work with confidential documents, intellectual properties, and prominent individuals. This reduces the risk of important information getting into the hands of the wrong individual. With a digital visitor management system, anyone who enters specific areas of your office can be properly documented.